Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this fabulous Beadalon Tassel maker. It is so easy. Just set the wrapping post to the desired length of your finished tassel. Attach your thread between the wing nut and the plastic bar. Tighten it up to hold your thread in place, and then just start winding it up.
Not all easy, but it's even fun. I'm going to throw that on the floor. There we go. There we go. Now remember, if you're going to make a pair of tassel earrings, you're going to want to count the number of revolutions so that they all come out the same. Or a bunch of tassels like on that hat. And when I think that tassel is big enough and happy enough, I'll just stop. There we go. A couple more revolutions. There, that looks good. Okay, then I grab myself a jump ring out of my vast collection here. I want a bigger one. There we go. Open it up. Wrap that around my tassel, going right through the center. And close it. Now all I have to do is remove this silk off of here by unscrewing the wing nut, unscrew the wing nut. That loosens these guys up, so I can just pull this off. Loosen that wing nut a little more, there we go. Pull that off. Got my jump ring isn't quite closed well enough. There we go. And now is the most difficult part, is making the binding knot that holds it all together. I need another little length of silk. I lay that silk right onto my completed tassel. Make a loop. And then start wrapping a binding around it. Make that nice and tight. With one loop right after the other. Sometimes I have to pull this up a little bit. There we go. One wrap right after the other. Making a beautiful little binding knot. Some people call it a whipping knot. Take the tail end. Go through the loop. Then down here on the other end, pull that loop tight. And it'll grab this right here. Until you pull the knot right underneath there. There we go. Got to pull the right threads though. There we go, a nice little binding knot. And then all you have to do is maybe glue those ends, trim them, cut the base of your tassels. Little trim. It's like cutting hair. Voila.